Good morning, everyone. Hi, it's me, Lunatic, and welcome to my channel, Lunatic on the Earth. Time to kick off an adventure. Today, we are heading on to Shivajatta Waterfall, and it all starts with an early dash to the bus stop. The bus journey was itself a sight. Here is a quick look as we zip through the roads, leaving the city behind and getting closer and closer to Dharan, our starting point for real adventure. And just like that, we have arrived in Dharan. You know you are here when you see the iconic clock tower. This is the real starting point, the last bit of city before we dive into nature. Finally, no more city views. From the clock tower, it is a short walk, and suddenly you are immersed in pure nature. The forest here is incredible, so much green and so peaceful. This is what we came here for, the fresh air and the start of our trek through this amazing landscape. Time for halwa break. Refreshed and ready to go, the journey continues. Now we are truly getting into the heart of the landscape with incredible view of the rolling hills around us. Every turn in the road brings a new perspective, reminding us how much beauty lies off the beaten path. The further we go, the more forest reveals its true self. You start to hear it, the buzzing sound of unseen insects, the rustle of the leaves, and the unmistakable sound of flowing water. I loved listening to the sound of the nature. As we climbed higher, the air grew cooler and the clouds rolled in. The hills ahead looked mysterious, almost disappearing in the fog. A beautiful river flowed beside us, and a few houses dotted the landscape. It felt like we were getting closer now, with the sound of the river getting more stronger. The excitement was building with every step. We were definitely on the final stretch now, still on the road, but you could just feel the destination getting closer. The air felt different, and the sound of the water seemed to be getting more louder. And then we reached the breeze area, and the view was really amazing. We stayed there for a while. The moment was almost here. We followed the river's edge, every step bringing us closer. You could really hear the roar now, getting louder with every twist and turn. And there it is, the moment we have been waiting for, the beautiful Shivajatta waterfall. All those early mornings, bus rides, and miles of hiking were absolutely worth it for this incredible sight. Just look at the power, the sheer beauty of it all, the sound, the mist in the air. It's truly breathtaking. And it's me enjoying. There were a bunch of people with their family and friends too. This area shows signs of past landslides as well, and it's a powerful reminder of how dynamic and ever changing our environment truly is. It makes us appreciate both the beauty and the force of these natural spaces. Now it's time for an apple break. I also had a piece of raw coconut and the coconut juice. Meow. I had to pet this cat because I love petting every animal that I see. It was super friendly and gentle. Bye bye. With refreshed bodies and incredible memory, it was time to start our journey back. Crossing this breeze felt different now, not just a path forward, but a breeze connecting us back to the world, carrying all the amazing experience of Shivajatta waterfall. The hike wasn't over until we were truly back on familiar ground. Our return journey continued along with the winding roads, with a few more small water crossings to navigate. Each step brought us closer to home, but we were still soaking in the last moment of this beautiful landscape. And just like we started, our journey concluded with a peaceful walk back through the lost forest. The air felt cooler now, and the setting sun cast long shadows, making the familiar path feel new again. It was the perfect way to reflect on an amazing day spent connecting with the nature. And at the end, I also tried on the famous keema noodle of Dharan. And just like that, our incredible day hike to Shivajatta came to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Until next time, keep learning and evolving. Goodbye.